Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Let's take a look what is going on currently on the euro currency. As you can see, market has continued move to the upside, and that the moment that we have discussed previously. As I said, my experience tells that head and shoulders patterns on the euro currency, especially on the intraday charts, as the 4-hour time frame and the hourly time frame, fails oftener rather than works, and that's why as we discussed, it's probably better to get some reversal pattern on the top of the right shoulder before to entering on the according with this pattern. And in our yesterday's research, I said that I do not see any patterns yet. It's better to keep an eye on, wait what will happen. And just speaking about in details in this head and shoulders pattern, I have to say that there were no patterns on the short side of the market right around the top of the potential right shoulder. So market just has broken the 618 resistance and continue move to the upside. Well, speaking about the bread and butter trade, here you could see that very often bread and butter could become the continuation pattern, not just the hitting of the 618, because we attracts your attention to the moment that 618 resistance is the just minimum target, so that market reaches as usual with the bread and butters, but that also could be just a continuation move. So that's why bread and butter is a nice pattern to join with the movie if you expect that price should continue move to the upside. But what do we have currently? So we see that some significant bullish picture. You can see this thrusting move to the upside. Take a look at this price action. So market stands below the MACD predictor, but the price action shows the thrusting move to the upside opposite to the trend. Although trend holds bearish in this area, market shows significant move to the upside. This is really bullish picture. And you can see by yesterday's close, market has turned trend to the bullish side. So now we have bullish trend as on the daily as on the weekly time frame. Even more, we could say that if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, you'll see that this price action could give us, by the close of current week, could give us the bullish stop grabber. And overall price action as trend now holds bullish, so we in fact have the bullish context. And somehow we should search for the possibility to join this movie. Well, but how we could do that? Take a look what market has reached within the current price action. That is weekly pivot resistance 1, stands right here. So, here is the thick line, it's maroon line, is the monthly pivot resistance 1. Also, that area is the deep 88 resistance of that swing to the downside. All these levels are not so strong as, for instance, confidence resistance, but still this is a resistance area. And I see only two potential ways how we could join this move. First way is if market will show some minor pullback on the intraday charts, some sort of the trade retracement or some sort of the BNB, I mean bread and butter trade. On the intraday charts, we could just enter on the long side of the market with it. That will be very safe entry, as you could assure of with this bread and butter. Or if market will show deeper move to the downside, that could lead to the butterfly. So this could be left wing of the butterfly market. If it will show some deeper retracement, could give us the right wing with the high extension to the upside that will stands definitely above the previous swing high on the daily time frame. That will be absolutely in a row with the stop grabber, bullish stop grabber pattern that currently is forming on the weekly time frame. Another significant moment. So if you'll take a look at this pattern, A, B, C bottom, you'll see that 618 extension stands approximately 131.60 above these highs and slightly lower than the previous top on the daily time frame. So that high hardly will hold since even the minor extension of that ABCD pattern stands above it. So I think that we should be ready for the potential upward continuation by the market. The major question is how to join it. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. First of all, you could see this thrusting move to the upside, and here is the consolidation about the 618 resistance, 130.09, 130.30 area. So you can see no patterns has been formed in this area. Just shallow respect of this resistance and fast acceleration to the upside. But currently we have excellent thrust to the upside that is very suitable for Napoli directional patterns. And that what I will particularly will be looking for in the couple of nearest trading sessions. If it will be the bread and butter, then I suppose that market should reach some area between 130.16, 130.35 area. That is not the confluence, since it's a bit wide to speaking about the confluence resistance, support, but that area stands around the major support area. So when the market shows the bread and butter pattern, it has to reach some significant support level within the 3 closes below the green line, 3 periods after the closing below the green line. And usually this area stands around the major 3/8 support. That is an area that I will be looking for if it will be the bread and butter. If it will be the double repo and market will show deeper retracement, because double repo pattern usually leads to the deeper move, that could be the triggering pattern for butterfly sell pattern on the daily time frame. Because if by the double repo pattern market will show deeper retracement, that will be very typical for butterflies patterns. And in this case, I prefer to use the 50% support of the thrust, the double repo pattern, is the minimum target of it. So if market will form the double repo sell, that will be the nearest level that I will watch for, is the potential ending point of this pullback. It's 129.94, but this doesn't mean that market has to stop in this area. That will be just a minimum level that I will be watching for. Of course, market could show the 618 move to the downside, or even 786, since these areas are very common, very natural for butterfly patterns. The 129.94, the 50% area, is just the minimum level if market will form the double repo. So that is the way how I offer you to look at the current situation. So if market will show just the bread and butter and will reach right with the single leg this support area, then probably we could see the fast continuation to the upside without any significant pullbacks. If market will form the double repo sell, then we have to be ready for some deeper move, and minimum to the 129.95. Currently, I do not see anything else that could give us more reasonable assistance with the potential entry. Well, if both of these cases will fail and market will not show the price action according with it, then probably we will have to postpone our analysis on the weekend and take a look a bit more in depth on the charts, including the long-term time frames. Maybe we'll find something else that could give us the clarity and more understanding what we could do in the environment. But I hope that one or another pattern will appear today or tomorrow, and it will give us opportunity to join this move to the upside.